you know, it'll have pleats and stuff, sewed in green thread. Actually using that for the skirt, like right here. This is the skirt for the headrest. The middle will be that leather. And that's how the skirting on the side of the backrest and the side of the cushion will be. Where I thought that, you know, this stuff here, I thought it would at least, I thought it would be here. This main insert, or maybe this whole main insert, you know? But this whole insert and all the face will be that leather, and then that'll just be for the sides. And the sides here. And right here, this is welt, our welt cord. And it's the kind of welt cord that has a hole, you know, it's hollow. So right in here, I take and cut a little piece of wire. So where it meets, you kind of can't see it too much, you know? And the wire keeps the two ends together. It's like a wire in there, like a rod, you know? I smooth it off and all that. Like this is ready to sew together. It's been sewed several times around, and then the welt's been sewed away from the welt around, so it's ready to sew when I make the face of it. That's as far as I got the other day. But like all these things here, but see how I had to put wires in it for pull downs? Before it didn't have any pull down. It just sort of was slightly glued here. It was just like a press pleat sort of thing. But this will have much more significant pulls to really make for the bolsters. You know, the defined pull down that really holds. And the pull down here is this, and then these two will do that. Now to kind of go in. So there's a lot of preparation. I'm fastening it a little different here. They had it where it tucked in. That leather's so thick, but this way I'm just going to pull it around with a draw wire. It'll be nice. And you can see those metal bars, they just bolt to the floor, but there must be something else on the floor that grabs the front of the cushion and really holds it in to that bar going across the cushion. So it's not like it's like most seats are completely bolted together and then you just have the tracks bolt to the floor. That's an old style, and yeah, it integrates into the floor to actually finish holding it all together. Right, it's just sitting there.